The ramp shown below is used to move crates of fruit to the loading docks of different heights. When the horizontal distance AB is 12 meters, the height of the loading dock is 4 meters. What is the height of the loading dock at DE? So what I like to do is I like to put the small triangle over the big triangle. So I'm going to put the small length is 12, that's A to B, over the big length. Now that's going to be from here to there. So 12 plus 15, that's 27, equals 4 over the small triangle over the big triangle. So I'm going to cross multiply. 27 times 4 equals 12x. 27 times 4 is 108 equals 12x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 12 to get the x by itself. X would equal 9.